Hi guys, it's Morah Odette. Thanks for coming to watch this video. I'm so excited for what we're about to do today because we're going to do an experiment. An experiment is something that we're testing, and I want to see if I can turn this egg into a bouncy ball. Is that even possible? Well, I really want to know and I want to try it. So I hope you guys want to do it too and you'll follow along with me. So an egg in general is very, very fragile. It's very weak. Like if I, by mistake, drop it, it'll crack very easily. I want to try to make it into a bouncy ball. So the ingredients that you're going to need is 1 egg, a cup. It could be a jar, plastic, it doesn't matter, as long as you can fit the egg inside of it easily. And now the most important ingredient is the vinegar, because that's what's going to make this egg into a bouncy ball. So let's get started. So I have my cup in front of me and I have my egg. Really, it's so easy to set up. You take the egg and you put it gently inside the cup because we do not want the egg to crack, because remember, an egg can crack very easily. But after this experiment, it'll be a little bit harder to crack. So now that we have the egg in the cup, be very gentle. You're going to take the vinegar and you're going to pour the vinegar all the way until the egg is covered until the top, okay? So it's going to be a little bit of vinegar, but it has to cover all the way until the top. So my bottle is very, very big. So all you do is you pour it inside. So I filled my cup all the way until the egg was covered. And I don't know if you guys could tell, but my egg is already bubbling because the vinegar makes the egg bubble. And now all of a sudden, soon you're going to see bubbles form all around your egg. It's really cool. So you know something is happening. And you're going to leave it there, put it like somewhere where no one's going to touch it. You are going to leave it there for like 24 hours, which means a day. So if you're doing this experiment at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you're going to have to wait until 2 o'clock the next day. Now, it's better if you keep it for even maybe 2 days or a day and a half, so that it just gets absorbed in right away. So let's check back in a day and let's see what's going to happen. I actually already did one the day before this, so I have one already ready next to me. So for this egg, it's been a day, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but there is a lot of bubbles and there is some stuff on top, and my egg actually got a lot bigger. It's not the reflection. The egg literally grew in size. Okay, so I think that means it's ready because the egg got bigger, there's tons of bubbles, and there's white stuff all over. So I'm going to tell you what that means. The egg shell, because eggs have a shell around it, that white thing, it kind of like dissolved, like it went away. And right now, what we're going to do is we're going to wash the egg off in the sink, and we're going to see how the egg looks like now. So let's see. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the vinegar out of the cup. Very gently. Maybe hold the egg so that nothing spills out, and then take the egg out very gently. I don't know if you could see this, but there's all white stuff left over in the cup, which means that the vinegar really did its job. Now the egg got very, very big, and it feels soft. The shell is gone, but it's still a raw egg, which means that there's still the egg yolk inside. So I'm just going to wash it off. Okay, so I just finished washing my egg out in the sink. It took a bit of rubbing to get everything off, but it came off. And my egg is orange. I don't know if you could see this, but I could also see the egg yolk inside swirling around because now the egg is clear. The shell was melted away by the vinegar. That's what made it clear, and that's why it's even bouncy too. It's like a ball. So it's clear, it's bouncy, and it's also bigger than this egg over here because the vinegar kind of went inside the egg that made it grow. So the vinegar did a lot. It melted the shell away, which is dissolved, and it went inside a little bit. It absorbed is the word, and it made it bigger. So now here's my question. Can I make this egg into a bouncy ball? Well, let's test it out. I have a plate right here in order for it to just stay neat in case it doesn't work. And I'm gonna bounce it, that's it. And it works. Now, you don't wanna throw it high or even drop it high, but it bounces. You could see it a little bit jumping up. It's a bouncy ball now. So we got a clear egg, squishy, and it bounces. Now, it's a very easy thing to do. You only needed a cup, an egg, and vinegar, and patience. You just had to wait a little bit to see if it worked. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy doing this at home. Thanks for watching.